This one question will help you manifest anything and everything you desire. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. On this channel, we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you would like to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to give you this one powerful question that will help you manifest your desires into your reality. This question is something you should be saying all the time. You should be asking the universe all the time. This technique comes from my favorite, Neville Goddard. And the technique goes like this. So whatever you're desiring, powerful creators, you're gonna ask the question, and it starts with, how did I? How did I become so successful? How did I get in a beautiful relationship with my specific person? How did I become so healthy? How did my life become so amazing? How did I pay off my bills? How did I get my dream apartment? How did I? What you're doing with this question, you're asking the universe to answer for you, to bring in your desires. I love this question because it eliminates the answer. It eliminates you trying to figure it out. You know, a lot of times with affirmations, you say, I'm successful. I am now in a beautiful relationship with my specific person. I am succeeding in my career. I am so healthy. Maybe you're not those things in your reality, in the 3D. Maybe you're not those things. So sometimes it's hard to really understand and really get the concept of those I am affirmations. But with how did I, you are letting the universe answer it. You are letting the universe take control to answer your question. And I actually posted this video on TikTok, and so many people were stitching it and giving comments that this worked so fast for them, that they were like, wow, why didn't I do this before? It is so incredible when you do your ask, believe, receive. Ask the question. How did I get in this beautiful relationship with my SP? How did my specific person just all of a sudden start messaging me all out of the blue? It's crazy. With this technique also, you're getting into the law of assumption. You're assuming in your feelings, in your subconscious mind, that it already happened. Because you're asking the universe, how did it happen? And you are getting in that realm of living in the end. And that is most important with affirmations and with visualization, with manifesting, all those things. You want to live in the end. By asking, you're already living in the end. So powerful creators, I want you to do this. I want you to start asking, how did I? How did I become so healthy? How did I get so well known on social media? Whatever your desire is, just start your affirmation question, your ask-formation, and say, how did I? And then fill in the blank with your desire. How did I get so many great grades this year? How did I get accepted to my dream school, my dream college? I want you to do this technique on a regular basis. It doesn't matter how many times you do this. Don't get all technical like that. How many times? How long does it take? When you think about those things, you're living in lack. You're not living in abundance. You're trying to minimize it to a specific number of times, and a specific time you will get your desire. That energy brings lack. That energy brings division from what you desire. So do your best to just keep saying your question and just have fun with it. And it really helps you with visualizing as well, because you know, when you think about how did I become successful, your mind starts bringing in visualizations of you being successful automatically. It's pretty cool. I love that about this technique by Neville Goddard. It's truly amazing. How did I? Now also, you can manifest for other people. I've said this before in my previous videos, and you can do it with this technique. You can say, how did my family get so healthy? How did my best friend get her dream job? How did my parents get so successful in their career? You can use this technique with manifesting for other people. As long as you have good intentions, you want the best for that person, you are visualizing and imagining the best for that person, there is nothing wrong with manifesting for somebody else when you imagine the best for them. This is not about controlling somebody. This is not about manipulating someone to do something that you want them to do. No, we're not using techniques like that. We are using this to bring in beautiful, loving experiences for other people, including for ourselves. So ask the question, how did I do this? How did I get this? How did I have this? It's amazing. You want to also say thank you, thank you, thank you, because gratitude is so important with every technique we talk about. You want to have that gratitude as well. So powerful creators, I want you to comment below right now a how did I affirmation that goes along with your desire. I want to see them. I want to interact with those comments, so please do that. How did I want to see my powerful creators. Type in that right now and give me your how did I manifestation, affirmation, askformation. I want to see it. Thank you so much, powerful creators, for watching today's video. I truly know that you are going to really enjoy this technique. Have fun with it. Enjoy it. Embrace it. How did I do this? How did I have this? Oh my goodness, I love my life. I'm thankful. You know, have that beautiful energy while you're doing this, okay? I love you guys so much. And the powerful creator of this video is Autistic with a Chance of Mushrooms. Autistic with a Chance of Mushrooms. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for being a part of this powerful creators community. I truly, truly appreciate your love and support. It means a lot. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button and comment this secret word below. If you like this video, you like my next video on how to use the congratulations technique by Neville Goddard. You're gonna start visualizing people congratulating you on marrying your SP or getting that beautiful degree you've always wanted or getting that dream job. Go watch that video. You're gonna wanna use that technique. Thank you again, powerful creators, for watching today's video. I love each and every one of you so much. You guys are so amazing to me. I gotta be amazing to you too. I love you so much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!